National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Thankerville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Thankerville, Lebanon, Willis, and Western Lake Texoma. This includes Interstate 35 between mile marker 0 and 12. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.